Hey, what's up? Welcome back to IDALS. This is Karthik Priyadarshan, and in this video, we'll be learning two choreographies based on the concept of sounds and syllables. So let's start with the tutorial. So in this part of the choreography, we'll be focusing on the syllables from the syllables and sounds concept, which was given to me by the IDALS. And I have chosen the song Jashn-E-Bahaara from Jodha Akbar, which I feel is the perfect song for such a great concept where you have different, syllable section and a different sound section which has their own meaning and which gives you, a different imagination where you can explore with the music. So we'll be only focusing on the lyrics and lyrical section of the song, and I've tried my best to interpret it with my own imagination and come up with a with an amazing choreography. So let's try and understand this, let's try and learn this. So let's start learning the first choreography, which is based on lyrics, and it goes like this. Before that, please excuse my singing skills, and this is a lyrical section, so I have to sing the lyrics. So please excuse me, please bear with me, but I'm not that bad, all right, hopefully. Okay, so it goes like this, let's hear it. सारे सहमे नजारे हैं, सोए सोए वक्त के धारे हैं, और दिल में खोई खोई सी बातें हैं. Okay, this is the first section. Alright, so let's try and break it down, and I'll try and make it as simple as possible for you guys to understand. Alright, so we start with our left leg, alright, and we open our both our hands outside, and we have to hop on our right leg. Sorry, we have to hop on our right leg and slide our left leg back. So let's try and understand this slowly. 5, 6, 7, go. Sare. Alright. 5, 6, 7, go. Sare. Now from here, you have to go on your right and switch your sides, as in towards the right side, this way. Alright. Bend on your right side. So you're here. Both your hands are close to your body and on the left side. Now from here, I go towards my right, ha, and then left, ha. Alright, let's try it again. From here, 5, 6, 7, go, ha, ha. Alright, so on lyrics, this is how it will be. 5, 6, 7, go, sa, re, se, me. Alright, now from here, what you have to do is place your right leg out, ha. And when you're placing it, simultaneously you have to open your right arm, and then your left leg goes outside your right leg, and you have to lift your left arm together, ha, and then cross your leg like this, where your right leg is at the front and left leg is behind on your toe, and you have to place your both your hands here. All right, let's try and understand this slowly. We finished here. From here, 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left, hold, and go down. All right. So 5, we finished here. 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left, turn, hold, bring your hands together here, and then go down. Slide it over your knee. All right, just go down. That's it. So on lyrics, let's try slowly. This is how it will look. 5, 6, 7, go. सारे सहमे नज़ारे हैं. Alright, cool. Alright, let's try this one last time. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. सारे सहमे नज़ारे हैं. So let's move ahead. We finished here with our right leg at the front and left leg behind my right leg, all right, and we are down here. Now from here, what you have to do is you have to lift your right leg and bring it back, and then left leg, bring it back and place it back. All right, when you're doing this, while you're doing this, use your hands, complement the footwork with your hands in this way. All right, and use your body as well. All right, it should go in the opposite direction. It should flow naturally in the opposite direction, this way, and then place it. All right, so when you do this, when you place your left leg behind, then what you have to do is you have to bring your hands together this way. All right. So let's try and understand this. You're here. 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left, place. All right. And place it this way. Hold it this way. Hold your hands this way. All right. One last time. 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left, place. Now from here, you have to just move your left leg and place it out this way. Ha. And then ha. All right. When you're placing your left leg out, make sure you place it on the ball of your foot. All right. And then from here, you have to switch it to your heel. All right. So when you're doing this, so 5, 6, 7, go. Ha, ha. On the second count, when you're going on your heel, you have to open your hands this way. All right. This way. So this is how it will look. Ha, ha. All right. 5, 6, 7, go. Ha, ha. Now let's try and understand from here. Let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left, place, and ha. All right. Cool. Now from here, you have to again slightly hop on your right leg and then slide your left leg behind, turn, and then hop on both your legs this way. Open it and open your arms wide, extend it, and then slide towards your left. All right. And then bring your left leg up and your right hand on your left side of your chest. All right. Let's slowly understand this again from the last position, which is here. So 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left, place, and slide, turn, open, slide, bring it close. Bring your right hand towards your left chest and your left leg should be up this way. All right. So now let's try and understand the lyrics. Let's place it on the lyrics. All right. So what we did, we finished here. Sari sehme nazare. All right. From here, soe soe waqt ke